I can't see anybody. Oh hi, I can see. Hi, hey man. I can see people right now.
I've gotten a notification that you've gone live. I would like to
Hi.
see you.
Hi everybody. It's a random live session with my beautiful, beautiful one and only.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to associate with people right now.
Why? You look beautiful.
I know, but I'm not in the mood. Tomorrow, yesterday I did not.
Hi everybody.
Happy birthday.
Hi everybody, I said. What happy birthday? I'm
gonna
good.
see you live.
Hi Shrutas, I'm good. How are you? What are you doing up so late?
कौन है ये? Is he your friend?
No, he's a friend. Good, how are you? Hi Ayush. Ayush Mishra. Hi, how are you, Kansha?
Megha, we love you. Meghu
Hi.
Singh, love you both.
Hi, Meghu. I put this filter because I'm without makeup right now. Not looking so great.
You always look good. My sister's here.
हाय मैं ना आधे लोग का तो मिस ही कर रही हूँ इसमें क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है
Babu, because you'll have to keep reading one by one. Otherwise, you're gonna have to do this. See, you miss a lot of comments.
Rashi start replying
Okay, Ayush.
thank you Mishra Ayush Mishra there are two Ayush हिबू तेरा की हाल है शाज मेरा हाल अच्छा है तुसी दसो की हाल है
बहुत ही सही पंजाबी हो गई आपकी.
थैंक यू मेरे को दिखा मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ
Can I abuse you in your life? Cute you're looking, babe.
I'm looking fine the filter is working
Fine, क्या cute you're looking. Chutti.
filter is nice
I can hear myself.
मैं आधे लोग के मैसेजेस ही नहीं पढ़ पा रही हूँ मुझे ऐसा लग हाय मोनिका गुगू हाउ आर यू सजल थैंक यू
Do you
सजल
remember the Panchini from Goa? She's also.
आई एम आल्सो एक्साइटेड आयुष शायद ऐसा न्यू फिल्टर पहले से फर्क हाँ पहले से बहुत फर्क है शायद हाय सौम्य तू सो जा ना तू क्या जाग रहा है इतनी रात तक अच्छे बच्चे सो जाते हैं तू सो ना व्हाई आर यू नॉट स्लीपिंग सौम्य सो गाइस व्हाट्स अप सब लोग इतनी रात को जाके क्या कर रहे हैं आई एम हैविंग अ नाइस sleepover after a real long time with my one and only.
I don't want to be seen right
Yeah, वो दिखाना
become
नहीं
under
चाहती
some-
अब ना. अच्छा मुझे बताओ कौन कौन राशि बाबा को देखना चाहता है अभी
now. You gotta be kidding me, bro.
कौन कौन देखना?
You got to be kidding me. I did not my own live session yesterday. which
Thank
lasted,
you
what, 20 minutes.
Gugu.
Is that this the same Gugu?
Yeah, same
Hi,
Gugu.
Gugu baby.
Same Gugu. Henna Ayush, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you like the show also. I'm really excited that, you know. Hi Nikhil. 025. Sanju bola. Oh, Sanju.
Shada Singh, big fan, ma'am. Please shout out.
Big fan. Oh, really? Please, guys, go and do not follow Shaz Taj.
शाहज को बोले इतना प्यारा पंखा ही बन जाता तुम्हारे घर. चेतन ने तो मुझे देखा ही नहीं. हाउ कैन ही से? मैं दिख नहीं रही हूँ, मैं बस साइड से.
आलोक तिवारी मेरे मुंह पे बिल्कुल नींद नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है आपको नींद आ रही तो आपको सोना चाहिए रियली आयुष थैंक यू सो मच हाय नीलेश माली हाय रियली आयुष दैट्स रियली नाइस आप सब देखना, सब लोग शो देखना प्लीज. मैं और आशु आ रहे हैं ना शो में साथ में. थैंक यू सनी अग्रवाल. Say my name is Sagar Anand. Hi. लाइबा खान. हाय. लाइफ में टंटे हो रखे हैं क्योंकि नींद ही नहीं आ रही है.
Hair looks जबरदस्त समझ.
Hair? Oh, who said? Tell me the name.
See this guy?
शास्ताज आपके लिए एक मैसेज भेजा है प्लीज. शाज ने प्लीज देखो. साहिल सोलंकी missed me. How did you miss me?
He's missing you, yeah.
Missing me? Oh, nice. I tried something new with my hair today, and I've put a lot of serum and other product to make my hair look like this, but no heat like at all. So yeah,
Beach waves it is.
yeah. So I have created beach waves.
जा रही हो beach पर तुम अभी?
Yeah.
चलो let's go somewhere.
Yes, Syed Qadri, definitely. Okay, I want कि आप में से कोई मेरे साथ लाइव आना चाहता है. Really want to do this session. Like I can go live, you know, with one of you guys. So let me know. Lenses नहीं लगाया यार, filter है यार.
पहले वाइपर को बोलो हेयर प्रोनाउंस करना सीखे ढंग से, फिर कमेंट करें.
Thank you, Arif. Thank you so much. How are you? Walaikum assalam, Niyaz. How are you? Oh, walaikum assalam, Raghav. How are you? I'm with Rashi, by the way. Your new friend. She's giving me this look.
My God alone knows why you're so bitchy in life.
I'm very bitchy.
You will get beaten up by me. That's what's gonna happen.
मैं थोड़ी देर में ना चली जाऊंगी.
Wow.
कौन सा वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है?
What has somebody written? Rashi Baba is Rashi Bawal. That's supposed to
Who's
be.
that?
God alone knows.
क्या Yeah, Shaz, you should totally join. Come. I want to put another filter. I'm just a little bored. How is this? No. That's my favorite filter.
Who's calling me Rasha? Who's Mishra Ayush?
No, pehle wala was better. No,
Yeah, pehle wala was definitely better.
this is better.
Hey, this is good.
Did that blue go? I've lost it. Are you so cute? Yes, I'm
Love
very
you too,
cute.
Gugu. So cute.
I am very cute. Yes, Shaz, beta. सेल्फी क्वीन को भी बोलो लाइव में आने के लिए. गौतम प्लीज आप बोलो. शी इज नॉट लिसनिंग टू मी.
Do I join your live or something?
Oh yeah, Ayush, you should do that. Come now, you can. She's looking so beautiful right now. I don't
I know
why
how do you
she's
how
not
do you
joined.
join it?
Okay, you have to send me a request.
No, how do I do that?
Okay, I have to teach her. Stay blessed. Hey guys, just someone tell her how to do it because I don't know. Like, how do you send a
We're just
request?
stupid people who don't know much about social media but are all about it.
Yeah,
okay, I
right?
sent you a request today.
I didn't
look,
get.
you're like,
Yes, Gugu.
see now you must have gotten it.
View request.
No, you can check.
No, not with you now. Hi Rahul, how are you? I've put filter right now. Oh God, you'll kill me for that, right?
See the request.
I can't see your request. They're
Sorry,
like,
one second. Bro, there are too many only requests that you're getting.
yeah, I'm getting a lot of requests. ये मेरे को रिक्वेस्ट नहीं 286 अदो ऐसे करके मुझे रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है. मेरे को एक इंसान की रिक्वेस्ट नहीं मिल रही है. Like how do I make her join me?
I doubt you can. Can you?
I'll click on.
Show me 1 second. I think you can. Invite to join.
Oh yeah.
Type Rashi. हाँ, top पे only have come.
Wow.
Easy peasy.
She'll be joining me soon.
Wait, let me put a nice filter. Bro, this is gonna happen, okay? If we do this together. What the fuck?
You can't abuse.
Why? Who said I can't? Wait, let me put a nice filter. Okay. There's no filter on my face. Much needed filter. Bro, I'll have to go out or what?
Thank you, Smiley.
यार ये क्या हो रहा है? ये बैकग्राउंड में
Because you like really.
That's my filter. See, this is what I'm gonna be. Okay. I'm gonna go out because otherwise ये पीछे से बैकग्राउंड वॉइस आता रहेगा जो आ रहा है.
Hi, Manpari. Hi.
Hi. Okay. So for everyone who is saying, now I'm here too. Thank you, Khan.
Hi.
Kabir.
अभी echo नहीं होगा.
I've come out now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Ayush. You would know better.
Who is this Ayush?
Chanda, remember?
Oh yeah, I remember.
Your name is Ayush.
Why is it so zoomed in on my face? Hi, Rashi Baba fan club. No, we don't drink. Sub more. We're good people.
हम शरीफ बच्चे.
हम बहुत शरीफ बच्चे.
आशु तेरा किया.
Who is saying? मुझे तो दिख ही नहीं रहा.
Shaz is.
Hi, Gugu. Shaz, please. No. No.
Hi, Faheems.
Thank you. Was it Shandar?
Actually, very Shandar. Yes.
I'm not
yes.
happy with the filter. रुको. बदलने दो filter थोड़ा सा. सुंदर बन के आना चाहती हूँ मैं better. Hey, this filter I like. Can you hear me though?
I can see you.
Because this is that वाला filter. Remember जो गाना बजने लगता था? तो बहुत ही गंदी लग रही हूँ मैं. मैं बिल्कुल मूड में नहीं थी ये लाइव करने के. और मैं 5 मिनट से बंद कर दूंगी. फिर ये हिबा कंटिन्यू करेगी आपकी.
क्या? मैं बोर हो रही हूँ इसलिए हम सब लाइव कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम पागल हो गए.
हम बोर हो जाते हैं इकट्ठे में और हिबा.
इतना टाइम स्पेंड कर लिया that we are like चलो please.
Yeah.
Hi, Hardik Malik.
शाज का मुझे तो कमेंट दिखा ही नहीं था. थैंक यू ईगल.
यहाँ पे कमेंट कर, वहाँ नहीं कर. I don't know.
इकट्ठे ही होता है ना बेटा फिर. सेपरेट ही होता है क्या?
Thank you everybody. You still want to continue your life or you
Hi,
just want to come?
Prashant. What baby? Baby, my
I think we
sister's
should
here.
start. We
थोड़ी
should
volume
start.
कम करो ना. My sister Hina is here. Tell her hi.
Hi, Hina. I think we should. I think I'm done with the live session.
Already. Let's stay now for 5 minutes now that you've convinced me. आजा खा ले, he said. ओहो शाज यार, मेरी तो जिंदगी बर्बाद होगी मुझे ऐसा लगता है. मेरी जिंदगी सच्ची बर्बाद होगी. शो के बारे में कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं हिबा आपसे लोग आई थिंक.
I know.
What did you just say? I don't know.
Be like really interesting this time. और बहुत मजा आएगा. I think जब मुझे शूट करने में इतना मजा आ रहा है तो I'm sure देखने में और ज्यादा मजा
इस बार एक्चुअली बेटर होने वाला है मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Yes, and I just can't wait for it to come on it. I'm really excited. Also, I'm really excited because Rasha is there with me.
Every day is like fun when we're shooting together. And you know, the pehla show off at gaya tha, Hiba and I were really like upset because we were like, now we won't get to shoot together. But then I'm very glad the series continue.
And I want to sleep.
What?
Come in. I miss you.
That's what's happening now. As soon as I came out, you started getting bored. मैं बाहर आई live के लिए, and then she's ever since I've come out, she's like Soja.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Come back.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Bye. It was really fun talking to you all. I was in no mood. Tomorrow, Hiba and I will come live again, together in one frame, looking better so that we don't need filter.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo, I'm coming inside. Bye.
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 Okay, guys. So मैं भी भागती हूँ अब. I had a lot of fun. मैं बोर हो रहा था तो मैं बोर नहीं हो रहा हूँ. So I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys. I don't know when. Rashi live आएगी. I'm very sure about it. Okay, bye guys. Love you. Good night.